Touching the truth.
Hi guys, welcome to RC Robotics. My name is Cole, I am your host, and today we are back with the Lidl bike. Pop that in there. So the Lidl bike, if you watched the last video, you would see it ended in tears, and that's because I didn't put any carbon fibre in the tail. So we now have carbon fibre in the tail, so that's a lot more stronger. She's nice and fixed. Batteries are all charged up. Let's go for a fly. The Lidl gliders, or the Lidl bike, is from Lidl. It costs $7.99, and the reason they're so popular is because they're so cheap. You know, $7.99 is £8. So 9 times out of 10 in a crash with an aircraft, if you've got your servos, your ESC, your receiver, and your motor, are all still fine. So what you need to do is rip them out of the, the old broken plane and put them back into your new, £8 airframe. So because they cost £8, people go and buy 5, 6 at the time sometimes. So that is why they're so popular. They're so cheap. Right, I don't think we can get some grass take off today, so we're just going to chuck it. Little followed by propane. He's porpoising again now because I put that carbon in the tail. Strangest flying plane ever. It's like because the ailerons aren't fully behind the prop wash when you do start prop angling. Oh yeah, there we go, that's a prop hang, sort of. No, doesn't like that. I think we've got the geometry wrong on the wings, and only the bottom set of wings are actually flying it. The top set of wings are actually just doing it. Tell you what, we'll be able to find out if I go inverted. Yeah, it doesn't fly inverted. It always wants to right itself. It's a bloody doggy show.
That's it.
Very nice.
Touching the truth.